I will make a heart no. Where is your
Ayan, so for today's vlog, I'm going to be cooking something for our breakfast. Guess what it is? The first is you're going to put the garlic until brown, and then you put the sibuyas. And after the sibuyas, you're going to put the secret recipe, which is the bitter gourd. Ampalaya in English, ay in Tagalog, like yung mga bitter dyan, na mga iniwan ng ex nila hindi makamove on. So like that. So after that, yan, so para hindi mapait masyado, ayan, I advise you to wash the bitter gourd with salt, ayan, to reduce its bitterness, ayan, like that. So after that, let it gisa-gisa. Ayan. So we have here egg, of course. Ouch! Nahulog. So cover muna. Ayan. So we will be having the mixture of corned beef and egg to be put on the bitter gourd. Then let's open our our turbanels. Charan! Let's check on our bitter gourd. Gisa-gisa. Gisa-gisa muna ang bitter gourd. Cover. And so after that, we will be putting our corned beef. Our corned beef. And stir it. You mix it well. Like that. Until mixed. Yan, so it is mixed. And then, you cover it again. And now we will be having egg here. Oh. And as usual, Pinoy style. And so, let's put it together. And stir it again until cooked. And then cover to simmer. And charan! Ito po ang ating egg. Scrambled egg with ampalaya, bitter gourd, and corned beef. So another. So, and let's put it into our plate and serve hot. Hindi po tayo chef. Ano lang siya. And so breakfast is ready. So yan. Try it at home and promise it's healthy. And yeah, you know the content of egg and the bitter gourd. So it's cool. So yan, kain na tayo guys. And I told you this is a good recipe. So let's try our bitter gourd. So wala na yung pait-pait niya. Na-control na yung pait-pait na yun. Hindi na kayo, kain na tayo.
I will make a heart no. Where is your